Hello everyone, I'm here today to find the winner of the 2,000 subscribers and the 3 weeks that we did the Roxy Creation Weekly Challenge. So I think this turned out adorable, and I think you can do something more to the front page if you'd like. In here I just stuck a little sticker thing, and you can change that out to do whatever you'd like. I put the tassels on the side. I keep saying today. Okay, I was going to do it again. So I put a little arrow there, and some of the lace and beads and stuff that was on that what do you call them, a charm? No, wind catcher. And then we had put that in there because I wanted to put something on the side there. And the back is just a little more fabric, and you can decorate there if you'd like to. So inside, I'm just going to flip through it real quick, and I've got some little things that I was going to pass on. This is some of the washi tape that I made, and I would lay it back out, and I would do more stuff to it. Maybe add another color or whatever you'd like to do. And then these are paper clips that I made. This is a little piece of handmade paper, I think, and I got it from Mary, and I took a little piece to put in here. I was going to put it in the book, but I couldn't figure out exactly where. So I'm going to leave it up to you to figure that out, because I love that. And then oh, this is just a little trim thing that I thought somebody might use. I was looking to see if I had a second one of those, but yeah, here's another one in case you need to. And then inside here, I made this little vellum envelope. And this washi is pretty sticky, so you might want to put a cloth over it and get it to wind down. So in here are some dried flowers that have been waxed, and it tells you that. So, it smells so good when you open the envelope, if nothing else, huh? So that'll be something that you can add to the journal. So then here are the pages, and I'm leaving some for you to work on. I could have added to this one. This one was already long. This one, I put journal cards in here. You don't have to use these, but I thought you might want to decorate them. Is kind of something I thought went along with this, and that you'd know there was a pocket too. In here is just this little fold. Here's a piece you could put another page on. Here's a pocket that I don't know where I got that. I made it somewhere. And then I just put a couple little journal cards in there. And this one is the one pocket that I think is this the flip. Yeah. So I put this little folded journal card. You could make a notebook in that. And then here's another little card that I thought looked nice with it. You can add labels. You can ink it more. On this side, is everybody in? Okay, yeah, you're on screen. This side, I just did a little journal card there, and I threw this envelope in, and if you wanted to, you could copy dye that or something. Then I had this little packet, a posy packet that I found again, and I couldn't find it, but it has the instructions and an applique pattern and so forth, and it's inside that. And so you could use that in the journal if you wanted to. You could actually probably stick it right here. On my throat. It's just another page. Here's one of the paper clips, and I just put these playing cards in here, and they're kind of decorated up. You can change those out if you don't want those. These are just rub-ons, and this little... It's a bee, but it's really hard to tell. Kind of blended right in. Here's another paper clip, and this is just a page. Oh no, it is a pocket. So put something in that pocket. You can glue it on, or you can leave it on the paper clip. And then this is another little pocket I had made, and I put a journal card in there. And I found the book that this came out of. Oh, I'm sorry, hold on. I don't know if that's going to help or not. This is 100 Flowers and How They Got Their Names. And this book is where I cut the pages and then I just made a pocket, and, you know, I was able to get the flower name in it. But I thought that was really kind of cool. And so the book, I don't know if you can get it. I got it at a thrift store for $1.91. I need to go to that thrift store again. I haven't been there in a while. 100 Flowers and How They Got Their Names by Diana Wells, illustrated by Ipy Patterson. So, you know, maybe you can go online if you like it. It's 1997. Huh. Yeah, and I didn't know what I did with it, but I was sorting through stuff, looking for something to do, a book I wanted, the size, and I couldn't find it. But anyway, that's where that came from. And then this is that old vintage 1700 paper that my friend Mary sent me, and it's also Roxy Creations. She got it from her. There's a couple little journal cards in that little envelope. And then this is all journaling space here. This is, this I copied. I have the original of this one. It was a stock, I think it's a stock market thing. Yeah, 15 shares. And I looked it up. I don't think it's around anymore, the company. This is the little bird that I liked. And I put that in there, and 2 little journal cards just for you guys to, you can put one in the back of this, and you can also put one in the pocket if you like. I threw this pocket in here. Oh, I'm so sorry. I threw this pocket in here that I made, and it's like a flip, or you can just glue it down like this, but I think it would make a cool flip only because it's decorated on the back. It's got nice backing. So I'm going to put that in your little pile there. And then this is mulberry paper. Then this is another one of those side pockets that you can put journal cards in. You can put one in the back, one here, and then the same on this side. I just put a couple journal cards, I think. Hold on. No, I thought that was I put another pocket, but it's not. Okay, mulberry paper. This little pocket I put in here. Sure. Why doesn't it come off? There's a tough paper clip. Yeah, it's just a pocket. It's not even glued together yet. You can do whatever you would like with this. This is from Janie B. Journals. It's where I kind of started out with YouTube videos using her kits, and I was on her design team for a while, and it just kind of faded away, you know. I mean, not her, but the whole design team thing. I think she decided that it was, I don't know if she has any design team anymore. Anyway, this is just another page here, and then I just stuck this little, because that's a pocket. So I left that open, and then we've got pockets here, one here, and one here with it. I just stuck journal cards in it. They don't necessarily, maybe not be the right one, but I just kind of put what I thought was pretty. Now this one I made, this is like a belly band, so I had this little journal space here, kind of like an envelope, and I thought I might as well just put that in there. And you could stamp across that, would be cute. And then this is the other side that has a pocket in here. I didn't put anything in it. but I think that idea is cute. I may try and do that again. I don't know if it'd work if the pages were bigger though, because yeah, might not be able to do that. Then this pocket here, I'm just leaving with this. If you want to use it in this book, you can. If you don't, you can use it somewhere else. This is another clip-on pocket here. You can glue this together if you want. I mean, glue it down to the page. I just clipped it on here so you'd have it for the time being. But yeah, you could glue this down and make another pocket there. Okay, and this one was that envelope that I tore the edges, and then I put the bottom part that you know, the flap of the envelope on the other side, and that made a little tuck there. And this can all be decorated. I didn't do anything to it. This is a vintage postcard from 1914. Wayne County, Pennsylvania, I think, is where it was. Just love these. Just love them. I never come across them much anymore. Mary sent me a couple just recently. This is a vintage postcard too. I take that back. This is not. I think this is a Tim Holtz postcard for some reason, because it's got a shiny back. But I fixed it up a little. I put this little frame here and the little soldier boy, and then a date here and a stamp. And now it's really cute, I think. It was otherwise just a postcard. And then I've got a pocket over here with a couple journal cards in here. And this, I think, is from, this is just a very tiny tuck. This is from, I think, Pink Monarch, her digital invoices is what she calls them, or lettered invoice or something. And then I'm going to throw these in, the little kitty cat and the owl. If you want to use those for pockets. I was just saying this has got a flap on it and that doesn't. I don't know why. Anyway, yeah, I think these are adorable. And so you can use these anywhere. And then I'm going to throw this in, which is, it's a check. I think this is also Pink Monarch. And I just put this flower because I was going to use it as a tag. And I think it might have been too tall. So, but you'll have to see what you have, and maybe you can use it somewhere or cut it down or something like that. But I just liked that flower on there, that black flower. And then I found what do you call it, library card to go right into here. So let me close this up again, and I'll get all this in an envelope for you. Okay, so are we ready to find out? Oh, it doesn't stand up. If you want to cut this off, you could stand it up. Because I was thinking it'd be cute standing. You could stand it up. Can you see that? Nope. All right. All right, I'm going to ask Google to pick a number between, now I did all 3 videos, the names are in here, and you know, it is the same ladies all the time, which I love you for that, because you know, it just, you just keep me going. That, you know, I feel like every one of you now have become like a personal friend. I really enjoy it. And then so I did 20, 21, and a 22 video. And then listed everybody here from 1 to 44. Okay, so good luck. Let's see what Google comes up with. Hey Google, pick a random number between 1 and 44. she goes. 20. Oh, Northerner in North Carolina. So she's new. So if you're watching the video, just email me your address so I know where to send it. And I will try to comment in the comments where you commented that you have won. I'm sorry. It's early in the morning. I wanted to get this done early. I'm going to lunch with my granddaughter. What else did I want to say? We'll probably have to pick an end date. This is going to show on Friday, so I will give you till, let's say, next Wednesday. And then I will draw again. I don't know what the date is. Let me see. It's actually on my phone. Let me see. Hold on. I never think of this until after the fact. Okay. Oh my goodness. I just want... July. I'm in July. Well, it's easier just to look at a calendar. My gosh. 22, 23, June 14th. Okay, so by the end of June 14th, by the end of the day, if I don't hear from you, then I will do another winning number. Okay? A lot of times people leave a comment and don't even know that there's a contest. They just, you know, leave a comment just because they're very nice people. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all your subscribing. And, you know, each time I do a video, I get a few more views. And hopefully those new subscribers are watching. A lot of times people just do not comment. I do not comment hardly at all because I'm not in a computer where I'm able just to comment. Then I find myself commenting through the whole video and they've got like 4 comments because I don't know what's going to come up, but I think that that was, you know, something I wanted to say. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and again, I appreciate you. I love you, and I am so happy to kind of be back into the frame of things. Alrighty, bye.